just for you. One cow says, moo, moo, moo. Two ducks quack, quack, quack too. Three little pigs go, oink, oink, oink. Counting's fun, what do you think? Four horses neigh, so strong and proud. Five sheep say, baa, so loud. Six chicks chirp, cheep, cheep, cheep. Numbers help us when we keep. Seven goats climb up the hill. Eight cats purr, so calm and still. Nine dogs bark, woof, woof, woof. 10 hens cluck, 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 cluck. Count the numbers 1 to 10. Let's sing and count again and again. Farmyard friends, help us play, learning numbers every day. And now, let's repeat all the numbers together from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job! And now it's time to say goodbye. Thanks for learning with us. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun adventures. See you next time on Bye Friends.